What's up, guys? Dave here. If you're in a restaurant or some other establishment that has Wi-Fi and you're trying to connect to it, let's say you're on your Wi-Fi screen and you're tempted to connect to whatever one, and then you get a notice as it's trying to connect that you see this pop up. The site has been blocked by your network administrator. Now you're in a doctor's office, dentist's office, restaurant, bar, brewery, whatever. You know it's a legit place, and maybe you used to connect to that Wi-Fi with no problem, and all of a sudden you're getting this weird message here. All right, here's what you do. You will click your little three dot up on the upper right up here, your three dot menu up here in the corner, and what will show up is use this network as is, or of course you can say do not use network. But if you trust the Wi-Fi network that you're trying to get to, just click use this network as is, and it should get you on with no problem. It may be a Wi-Fi that wants you to sign on to it. Whatever. The issue is if you're seeing this big banner right here, just make sure you tell it to use it as is, and it should get you on. And that's it. So yeah, check out our channel. We got all kinds of stuff on our YouTube channel relating to cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, even some computer related stuff, US mail related, eBay related. There's all kind of stuff. So check out our channel. So like, subscribe, follow. And if our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button underneath the video screen. And we appreciate any donations we receive. And that's it. Y'all have a great day. We shall see y'all later.